17 Gen 5 MOS. Shoutout kay Boss Jason ng Pampanga. Okay, so price is 10K. So with license markings. Then may cut na dun for optic attachment or para dun sa plate nya. By the way, ang kasama niyang plates is 4. Ito. So may underrail na rin for attachment. And then magazine capacity is 26 rounds. So test natin. Chrono check. 329, 320, 316. So for more details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsapi PH.